Every kitchen has that one pan you reach for, more than any other. The one that ends up on the stove almost every single day, no matter what you're cooking. But the truth is, not all pans are the same. Some heat unevenly, some stick over time, and some just make cooking harder than it needs to be. So today, I'm putting the BUYDEEM Ceramic Nonstick Pan to the test. I'll be cooking one simple dish in real time and focusing on how the pan actually performs in everyday use, from heat distribution to how well the non-stick surface holds up during cooking. What I'm really looking for is simple. Does it make cooking easier, and does it clean up without any hassle afterwards? Let's find out. How you doing, guys? I hope you are well. Apparently this has got some good reviews on Amazon. It's a 4.5, which is a great start for a pan. So let's take a deep dive and let's take a look at these reviews. Well made, super amazing, frying pan, perfect pan, lightweight, non-stick and beautiful. Nice look, easy to use, that's what we want. Exceeded my expectations, perfect non-stick pan. That's what you want again. Love. Great pan, happy so far. Works great, non-stick eggs. 4.5, that's decent for a pan. So I'm gonna cook with this, I'm gonna put it through its paces, I'm gonna test it out, and I'll tell you whether it's worth buying or not. And I'll probably put my review on here too. This is the BUYDEEM Cheflite 10.2-inch ceramic non-stick frying pan. It's a 2.5 quart frying pan designed for everyday cooking and is part of BUYDEEM Cheflite series, which combines a ceramic non-stick cooking surface with a clean modern design. The pan features a pure ceramic non-stick coating. According to BUYDEEM, the coating is made without PFAS and PFOA and is designed to support healthier cooking with less oil. Another key feature is what BUYDEEM calls oil pooling center technology. This is designed to help keep oil concentrated in the center of the pan during cooking, rather than allowing it to spread out towards the edges. The pan also features a 5mm plus ultra thickened base. BUYDEEM says this is designed to help distribute heat more evenly across the cooking surface and reduce hot spots. It also includes a stay cool handle design, intended to provide a comfortable grip while cooking. Overall, the Cheflite is designed as an everyday cooking frying pan that combines a ceramic non-stick surface throughout heat distribution design and features aimed at making everyday cooking simpler and more efficient. First impressions, it's quite heavy. It's certainly not light, but what really surprised me is the feel of this handle. I love the feel of it. It's sturdy, it's strong, well made, really good quality. I do like that, and it's built like a tank. It really is. I think this is going to last a long time, and I do like that surface. I really think that's going to cook really well. Like I said, we're going to put it to a test. I love the color. It comes in two colors, I think, yellow and green. Looking forward to cooking with this. I've been thinking, I've made up my mind, and what I'm going to cook in here, I'm going to do some chicken with a lemon butter sauce. I think that's what I'm going to do. It's going to be delicious. So let's put this pan to the test. To get started, I added some flour to a bowl, lemon pepper seasoning, garlic powder and smoked paprika. Then I mixed everything together until well combined. Next, I sliced chicken breasts in half to create thinner cutlets. Using my hands, I sprinkled the seasoning flour mixture over both sides of the chicken, making sure each piece was evenly coated. With the prep done, I added oil to the pan over medium heat and carefully placed the chicken in the pan. Then it was a simple matter of letting it cook until golden brown and nicely coloured on both sides. All right, chicken's in, and this is where the pan's doing all the work now. This is a good time to test the pan. I'm gonna leave that chicken alone. I'm not gonna flip it. I'm just gonna walk away, let the pan do the work, and then after 1 to 2 minutes, I'm gonna lift it up and see if it's stuck to the pan or not. But right now, it's gliding like butter. So I've just turned these over and they're looking absolutely amazing. And right now, this is where a pan normally sticks, some pans. But right now, if I just do that, glides like butter. Once the chicken was cooked through, I removed it from the pan and set it aside while I prepared the sauce. Into the pan went the butter, followed by fresh lemon zest, lemon juice and chopped parsley. As the butter melted, everything came together in a light fresh lemon butter sauce. The final step was to coat each piece of chicken in that lemon butter sauce, making sure every bite picked up all those bright citrus flavours and rich buttery notes. And the cleanup, what do I say? It's like I never used it. I haven't had a lemon chicken in a long time. I forgot how good it tastes. And that cooks like a dream. It cooked that chicken so good. I'm surprised, a little bit. I feel like I didn't do anything. Pan were like saying to me, look, Steve, you just sit back, sit down, and I'll do the rest. That's what it feels like. I feel like I never did anything to this. It glided like butter, literally. And that cleanup, it just felt like I haven't used the pan. I just wiped it out. And also, I keep coming back to this handle. I love this handle. It's solid. It's well made. It's quite heavy. It's not light, but it's not too heavy, if you know what I mean. It's built like a tank. It works on all cooktops. It's a pleasure to cook. Oh, and somebody said on Amazon, it's great for eggs. I can believe that. I feel like nothing can stick to this. I'm looking forward to cooking some eggs in this as well. I bet they'll just glide. I bet the eggs will just glide like that chicken did. All the information is down below, and I tell you what, it's a highly recommend from me. It's a great pan. It's one of the best pans I've used in a while. It really is, and that's saying something.